Now the topic before us is quarantine action taken by the antivirus software. When antivirus software detects malware on a computer system, then what happens? The antivirus may move the infected file to an isolated secure location known as quarantine. When the file is quarantined, it prevents the spread of malware or causing harm to the system. It may be possible that before detecting this malware, the malicious file may have caused some harm. But when the file is quarantined, it may not cause further harm to the system or the data lying in the system. The user can later on review the quarantine file and decide whether to delete it or restore it. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.